Okay friends, continuing the previous video, we were discussing on preprocessor, what it does. So it takes the source code, that is high level language, and convert it into a pure high level language. By pure, which means, as I have already discussed, that it will process these hash include str.h files, systems and all, and it will take them and put it in the common area. Okay, now this pure high level language will be passed to compiler. Now compiler, what it does, it will convert that high level language, pure high level language, into a target assembly code. It will convert it into a assembly code. So this assembly code is understandable by the machine, but it requires some processing, because assembler, this what will do, it will convert into a relocatable code. Assembly language, we can call it as a middle level language, this which hardwares can understand. So this is picked up This is picked up, and the assembly level language is processed by assembler, and this will be converted to a relocatable code. By relocatable code means that somewhere in the memory space where we have declared that memory space, suppose we have an address something like 0 to 20 in this case. Okay, but when it is processed actually in memory, so this address might change, or this will change, because we have preferred here indexing system, or which we will discuss later on. I will discuss on this relocatable code later on. Okay, I will give a complete create a video on this relocatable, what it does. For now, just remember that this will be converted to relocatable code, and then it will be passed on to linker. Linker will uh, resolve that addresses, and it will uh, give it to a executable code. That this will produce an executable machine code, which will again be passed on to loader, and loader will, what it does, it will load the code into a memory, where this is the memory, which is RAM in our computer. This will go to the memory, and here the processing of that source code will be done. So this is the complete phase which the source code travels from starting source code, starting to the end of its execution. That's it. Thank you.